Made by chew-resistant square tube. Designed for large breed dogs. Stronger and sturdier than the wild. Not easy to deform. Big enough. Equipped with 3 reinforced bottom bar. It can bear up to 300 twentofs. There has to escape-proof locks. Dog can break the door easily with one lock. 2 locks can effectively avoid dog break out the door. Independent feeding door. The floor tray make it easier to clean up spills, falling food. The top can be opened to be a playpen. Equipped with 4 rolling wheels can be locked. Pets are our family, Singapore.